Holy moly, Owen, what do we see?
Mulberry rig.
What else?
Excavator. Bucket truck. Forklift. Flat loader. Skid steer. Excavator.
Whoa. What's that skid steer doing over there?
Forklift.
That skid steer's getting a huge scoop.
Wow.
Whoa. He's backing up. Look at that construction worker right there. He's got a hard hat, safety vest, safety pants, work boots, safety glasses. Just like the sign says. Hard hat, safety vest, safety glasses, work boots, hand protection, and hearing protection. All required before you go on the site. There's a skid steer driving up the hill. What else is going on, Owen?
They're dumping out stuff.
Dumping out dirt. There goes the excavator. Whoa. Owen, what's the excavator doing over there? Whoa.
It's scooping up dirt. It's scooping up.
It's driving around. Here comes the skid steer coming back down the hill. Can you tell me what the skid steer's doing?
It's scooping up dirt.
Whoa, what did it do? Open its attachment. Whoa.
Open its attachment.
Here comes the excavator. Holy moly. Can you wave at the excavator driver? Hey, he waved back at you. Cool. Whoa, he put the blade down in the front. Whoa. Oh, and the excavator's working like a grader right now. Holy moly. Wow, this is a busy construction site.
Hey, see 2 pieces of wood.
Whoa. A little BBQ, yeah, that's where all the construction workers keep all their stuff. Whoa, there's the excavator coming again. Whoa. Whoa, oop, puts his blade down. Look at that, on the excavator's being like a grader. Look at that skid steer behind the excavator. Watch out for the excavator, skid steer.
Why is the flag there?
To show the construction workers where to work. Whoa, look at all this dust. It's a dusty, dusty construction site. All right. Whoa, the skid steer's opening up his big scoop again.
What kind of church was that?
It was a big old church. Now it's demolished and they're building a new big building here.
Did they use a wacky boat way?
Hey Owen, can you say see you later excavator and skid steer for the video?
See you, excavator. See you, excavator.
Don't forget the skid steer.
Excavator.
See ya.
See you, truck.
See ya, trucks.